Compatibility of Smart TVs with CyberFlix.
Hello, and welcome to the video. Today, we're going to talk about a popular streaming app, CyberFlix, and how to know if your smart TV is compatible with it. It's an important topic if you're looking to expand your streaming options.
What is CyberFlix?
CyberFlix is an Android-based application, which allows you to stream and download movies and TV shows for free. It's known for its vast library of content and ease of use. However, its compatibility can vary depending on the operating system and model of your smart TV.
Which smart TVs are compatible with CyberFlix?
Since CyberFlix is an Android application, it generally works well with smart TVs that use Android as their operating system. This includes, but is not limited to, Sony Bravia TVs running Android, Sharp Aquos models with Android, TCL models that utilize Android TV, Hisense TVs using Android, Philips models running Android TV. Please remember to check the model and operating system of your smart TV. Even if your TV brand is listed above, some models may not run Android.
What if my smart TV is not Android-based?
If your smart TV does not run Android, don't worry, you still have options. You can use external devices that support Android applications, such as Amazon Fire Stick, NVIDIA Shield, and Google Chromecast with Google TV. Simply connect these devices to your TV and install the CyberFlix app. And that wraps up our discussion on the compatibility of smart TVs with CyberFlix. The key takeaway is that if your TV operates on Android or if you have an external device that supports Android applications, you should be able to use CyberFlix. We hope this video has been helpful, and enjoy your streaming.